Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS lists. And right now we'll be discussing about how to style a list with colors. We can also style lists with colors to make them look a little more interesting. Anything added to the OL or UL tag affects the entire list, while properties added to the LI tag will affect the individual list items. So let me show you how all this works together. Back to our document right now. As you can see in our browser, we did all this. So we want to add some styling, we want to add some colors to it. So the first one we are having is our unordered list. This one right here is our unordered list. So we want to add some styles to it. So let's say for instance now we want to add some colors. So right here we can specify color right here. Let's add let me just add color right here. Let's add background color first. Firstly, let's add background color. Let's give it black. Oh, no, let's give it blue. Let's save our document and let's change the color to white. So that we can see what we wrote there. Now let's reload our document and reload. Can you see? Now this turns to white, the text turned to white, and the color turned to the background color turned to blue. If it's only the line if it's only the list we want to select, so I'm going to show you how all this works now. Let's say we want to select the list only, so we won't select this one. We can remove this out of here, come here, specify UL. The UL, inside the UL we are having LI. Inside this we can specify this background color, and everything is going to affect only the LI. Can you see? Now it's not affecting it's not going beyond this text right now. So how can you understand this better? I want to explain it in another dimension. Let me give this border. I want to give it a border. Let me give it border red, 2 pixels solid. So solid, 1 pixel solid. Let's reload. Can you see what happened right here? Our text is what? Our text is white. That's why we are unable to see it. Let's turn it to black. When we turn it to black, now we are going to see it. Let's reload. Can you see? Now we are able to see. But one thing I want to do right now is that I want to remove this UL. If I remove this UL, you are going to see what will happen. The both UL and the both UL and the OL that is having LI inside it, both of it is going to affect. Can you see? Going to be affected with this border. But if we specify ULLI, definitely we are saying the UL, the list that is inside the UL is the one we are specifically selecting. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys right here now. So definitely that's why we are saying that the UL, inside the UL we are having this LI. So give the LI all this kind of properties. Let me show you. This is our UL and the UL is having LI. And this is our OL and the OL is having LI. So if it is UL, we select, if we select the UL and we select this LI like this, definitely all this property is going to affect the LI inside the UL. And if it is OL, we select right here, we say OL. Let's reload our document now and reload. It's going to be inside this OL only. But if it is the UL, everything that is inside the UL is going to get affected. Now let's save our document. Let's reload. Can you see? Only this one. So, and we can rearrange. So it just depends on what we want to do. So one thing I want you to notice right here is that this one is, because this one is inside right here, let's change this one to outside. When we change this one to outside, you're going to see something nice right here now. Can you see? Now this is covering our text only. It's not covering our marker with it, because I told you guys earlier that if we specify the marker, we specify inside in the marker is going to automatically come inside our text and create a space for itself and push our text to the front. That's what happens right there. So when we specify inside here in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the inside and outside position, so now when I specify inside position right here, you're going to see what will happen now. The marker is coming inside this border right now. Can you see? That's what really occurs there. So I want you guys to practice your things, because practice makes perfect. So if you don't want it to be there, if you don't want the marker to be inside our text just to make our document look nice. Let's reload now. Can you see now our document is looking nice? I can give it more padding and margin or whatsoever if you want. So let's say we can just give it more property also. I don't want to disturb us with other things for now, but I just want to show you that we are able to add colors. Background color, we have added background color earlier. Let's add background color right now again. Let's add background color. If we add background color right here, no, we are not going to add it here. Let's add it inside this UL LI. So let's add background color right here. When we add background color right here and we give it aqua, let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see the aqua reflects here? But when we add this background color, we specify it inside our UL itself. Let's save our document and see what we got. Can you see it is coming outside the text? So I'm going to be showing you more things, more cool tricks you should note about all this. So when you are decorating the text inside here, make sure that the property you are specifying is aligned with the li, because inside the li is where you're having all this. It's not inside the UI. So it's as if you are selecting body, not selecting the main thing that is inside the body element. Like it's as if we are here right now, we are selecting the body, we are giving the body property, but we are not selecting the main element we are trying to control itself. That's what really occurs here when we specify background color inside the UL here. Can you see all the page that the UL is taking is going to have the background color, but when we specify the background color inside our ULLI, the LI there is going to be the one that is having the background color. That's what I'm trying to show you guys there. So, and you can do a lot with this, and we can change the color. Even we can change the color to white or whatsoever you want. You can change the color to white, change the background to black. Let's reload. Can you see now we are having this beautiful something, and we can give it a padding, and we give it padding also. The same thing reflects to this place. Let's give it padding of 7 pixels. When I reload my document now, can you see now our document is having this nice looking something. So I want you guys to practice this, because practice makes perfect. Depends on what you want to do. We can manipulate it and give it a lot of properties. Depends on what we want. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And today